Yo, what's up, man? So I got a special video for everyone today. It's about cooking steaks that are on their way to being bad. So this one is still good. It is starting to turn. I didn't put it in the freezer. I'm against putting things in the freezer, but as you see, it's turned gray a little bit, especially on that one side, but there's still some red. It still looks good. And the way to fix this, the best way to cook a steak turned bad, is in a slow cooker, in a crock pot. So all you need is a cup of water. You can have a little more, you can have a little less. That's fine, just enough to submerge the steaks in. We got onion, garlic, cayenne, oregano for smells, crushed pepper, and cinnamon. Okay, so here's the garlic. You can put as much as you want in there. Don't worry about using too much. Same with the onion powder. You can never use too much. Just a sprinkle of that cinnamon, a dash of that cayenne, a little bit of that oregano for the scents, and man, your house is gonna be smelling good. I believe that was the pepper flakes and the salt. Now you can use as much salt as you want. When you slow cook things, it's not really gonna make it too salty, but it is easy to do it at the same time. And make sure you mix it all up together, get it as homogeneous as possible, and then submerge the steaks on in there. You want to get the steaks completely submerged under the water, under your broth mix here. Yeah, so it's good to go. You can put it in there for 6 hours, at minimum 4 hours, but I think 6 hours is best. My slow cooker doesn't have any settings on it, it's just plug in and go, so if yours does, I would put it on medium. Alright, so I'm back from 6 hours in the crock pot, and I've got some brioche buns here. I don't recommend using brioche buns, but that's all I had. But I'm cutting them off here. I would recommend just like a regular simple bun, or maybe potato bread. Get some butter in it, set the oven to broil, and toss those bad boys in there, or whatever you want. They just need to be toasted. Okay, so it was about 3 minutes. Here they are toasted. That's the way I like it. Now let's check on the steaks. I haven't checked on them yet. Oh yeah, that broth looks good. That's some good stuff right there. Pull her on out. And we're not going to put it right on the sandwich just yet. So there's two ways you can do it after the crock pot. It's up to you. You can sear it on the pan, get nice sears on the side, and put some A1 sauce or barbecue sauce on it. I would have preferred A1 sauce, but I didn't have any, so I just used some barbecue sauce, and I chose to broil it instead of searing it. Now that the broiler is red hot, you should start seeing the sauce on top of the steak start to bubble. That means it's ready to take out, and it's perfect. Here are our steaks, and I do have to be a little bit careful with them because it's super freaking tender. Now let's get right into it. I can't wait any longer. Now I would put more sauce on this usually, maybe even pour some broth on it, but I just had to taste it. That's good. Another good idea you can do is pour a little broth on your sandwich, or even dip it. I prefer the dip. That's it, everyone. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the like button and get out of here.
Uh-huh.